How's it going, everybody? So today we're going to do a Copart video, and some of you requested this in the past. Copart has all kinds of little secrets. Even have secret auctions. Not secret, but most people don't know about these auctions. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about, and I just recently myself found out about this. So let's go ahead and open up our Safari here. We have it up. Let me back out to the home page here. I'll show you how to get into it. So this is Copart Home. And so in the past, I've only looked at auctions like close to me, you know, St. Louis, Memphis, Little Rock, on occasion stuff in Indiana and Oklahoma, you know, all in the Midwest within 4 to 6 hours away. I have one Copart that's an hour away. It's a tiny Copart. I have one that is 2.5 hours away, and all the rest are 4 and 5 hours away. So let's go into auctions to start with here. And let's go to auction calendar. And it's going to break down all the auctions and where they're located at. And this is vitally important. I'm going to show you why. So usually I go to, let me see, Monday is Little Rock. So Monday, you can see, is Little Rock, and then the one closest to my house is that's 9 a.m. Let's keep. Is there a Little Rock at 9 a.m.? No. Okay, so at noon, Little Rock, and then Peoria, Illinois isn't that far away. It's still probably, it's 3 hours away probably. Nashville's about 4 hours away. Anyhow, you get the idea. And Sykeston's one right next, not next to my house, is an hour away. So we know about all that, and that's all fine and dandy. But then what they don't show you here, if you go into Wednesday, which is, today's Tuesday. So let's see. There's some evening auctions with some daytime auctions too. That's probably regular time for all those. If you keep rolling down here, you're going to get to 8 p.m. auctions. And there's Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday 8 p.m. auctions. Most people don't know about this. And so my area is going to be central. So there's an auction tonight, tomorrow night, and Thursday on NCS Central. So that could be, you know, Central United States. So that's all the states all surrounding me. It could be as far as south as Texas, as far as north as Michigan. But usually there's some good stuff on it. Let's kind of just cruise through here real quick and see if there's any cars that catch my eye. And it all depends on what state, whether you could buy it or not. So let's just go ahead and sort. For my purposes, no license required. And this is today's auction, Tuesday. And then is there any BMWs in here? There's no BMWs in that one. Okay, so let's back up. Let's go into tomorrow's. There's only two. There's a Mack truck and a Nissan. Okay, we don't want none of that. And sometimes there'll be 200 cars in these auctions. And how I found out about it, I was bidding on that 7 Series and it disappeared. But I ended up coming across it in this. Oh, it was in my watch list. And then it appeared, it left St. Louis Copart and appeared in this central region, even though it's still in St. Louis. So there is one BMW in here. This is tomorrow's auction, or Thursday's auction. And there was an X1. It's junk. Now here's my findings. The cars in these auctions don't get a lot of bids. They don't sell for a lot because nobody knows about them. This one's in Birmingham, Alabama. It's an X1. I mean, it looks like it's scrap, right? It's parts. Yeah, that's parts. You might be able to fix it, but my God, why would you want to? And so this is where you're going to catch your really good deals at. Now, lately I only been buying BMW stuff, but we've seen some good Tundras in here. You know, just some various things. But it's, I guess I shouldn't be making a video and giving away my secret. It's not really my secret. I've never bought anything from these auctions. The only things I bought were from the actual auctions. But remember, if you guys are not bought off Copart, it's a scrap yard, basically. So if you get it home and there's a lot more wrong with it than what they said, there will be. They're going to look at you and go, it's not my problem. What do you want me to do about it? They're going to take pictures that aren't going to show the damage right on purpose. You know, there's a lot to it. The fees are crazy high. This ain't current. Let's see what the situation is on this. Let's click on the number here. And lately, a lot of stuff's been having real high reserves. This is on approval, so it has a reserve. $2,000. So they probably want the reserve. I'm just taking a wild guess. Probably $7,000 for this junk. So if you paid $7,000 for it, oh come on, email. Hopefully they don't pop up. Shouldn't. If you pay $7,000 for it, I don't know what the fees are on it. If you pay $1,000 or something, the fees are like almost $400. That's eBay stuff. Almost $400 for a $1,000 car. And then you have to figure transport. You have to figure transport. That's another huge thing. You know, let's say if I bought a car from, where was this piece of crap at? Where's this junk at? Alabama. I'm in Missouri. If I got this shipped to my house from Alabama, right now, I'm just going to say $700 to get it shipped on top of your crazy fees. Then, if this is salvage title, which Mississippi's, yep, salvage title, then in my state, you have to pay tax on whatever you paid for it. So $7,000, I don't know, without a calculator, I don't know. I think we're low. We're like 6.1%. Another, what, $400? Let's say $400, $300, I don't know, something like that. So on a $7,000 car, the transport and the tax is going to be $1,400 more dollars. Then whenever you got to fix the car with, so a lot of guys say they'll pay half the book value of a car, you know, at a salvage auction. I disagree with that. I think you should not do that. I think it's a terrible idea. Now, if it's a big money car, $50,000 or $100,000 car, that might hold true. On a $7,000 car, it's not. And they're saying estimated retail value is $19,000 for this. They might have a reserve at $11,000 or $13,000 or $14,000. And we've been seeing a lot of that lately. The crazy reserve prices that will rival a car that's not wrecked off Craigslist or Facebook. And, you know, it's the way it is. So that's my secrets on that, guys. I have no plans at this very minute to buy anything from Copart. I have one car on my watch list, but I guess I can't get the title for it. I don't know. Who freaking knows, right? But there's my Copart secrets video. It's a pretty good little secret. Not a secret, it's just a tip. But let me know if you guys like today's video. I'm also shooting the regular video, so that'll be out tomorrow. I might post this one today. Just thought you guys like to know. We'll see you later, guys. Have a good day.